last point that we have is repetition makes perfect. Every kind of procedure or every kind of like the tips we have talked about, if you're going to do it with a student, you just need to make sure that you're going to do them over and over and over again. You teach it to them, you rehearse it with them, you reinforce it by repetition. So this way, that they collect the papers in this way, they submit their homework in this manner. And you might think isn't it gonna be boring? No, it's not gonna be boring because you have different activities that are changing over the semester or the class. But these are procedures or routines so that you have to do it exactly the same way. So this way you would save your time without having to change anything in it. These are not the real activities inside the class. These are the procedures that help you have a better class and more management inside the class. In this crash course, we talked about different hacks that can help you with the different issues or challenges that you might face inside your class. I hope that they were helpful, and please try them and let us know if you have any other inquiries and if there are any challenges that you have. And please check the other classroom management courses that we have and the other courses that we have on the other skills. Let us know if you have any questions. Make sure you like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more notifications from our upcoming videos. Thank you so much and see you in the coming course.